In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the output mode on your VLC Media Player application. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is select the Tools tab at the top, and then go down and select Preferences. Select the Audio tab at the top here, and then you want to go to where it says Output Device. So go under Output, and then select Device, click the drop down, and then you can change it to whatever you want in here, and then select Save, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.